Hi there, grooming enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting reviews for you featuring the Philips Norelco OneBlade hybrid electric trimmer and shaver. So first off, let's talk about the performance of the OneBlade. The unique dual-sided blade technology allows for both trimming and shaving, making it a versatile tool for various grooming needs. The blade is gentle on the skin and provides a clean and precise trim without causing any irritation. I also appreciate the ergonomic design of the OneBlade. It has a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle and maneuver while trimming. Another great feature of the OneBlade is the adjustable length settings. It comes with multiple comb attachments that allow you to choose from different trimming lengths, ranging from 0.5 mm to 9 mm. This gives you the flexibility to achieve your desired look, whether it's a close trim or a longer stubble. One of the things I love about the OneBlade is that it's waterproof, which makes it convenient to use in the shower. It's also easy to clean by simply rinsing it under water, which saves you time and effort in maintenance. The battery life is also worth mentioning. The OneBlade has a long-lasting battery that provides up to 90 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. You will have been use it multiple times without needing to recharge, which is a big plus. Overall, I have been really impressed with the Philips Norelco OneBlade hybrid electric trimmer and shaver. Its performance, versatility, waterproof design, and a long battery life makes it a reliable grooming tool for men. The only minor downside is that the replacement blades can be expensive, but the initial blade doesn't last for a decent amount of time before needing a replacement. However, that's it for my review of the Philips Norelco OneBlade hybrid electric trimmer and shaver. I hope you found this information helpful in making your grooming session. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more grooming tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.